Hey YouTube, and welcome back to Silent Code Dev. Welcome to day 19 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. And yeah, we're still dealing with this thing that I'm struggling with. By the way, if you're new to my video, I am basically doing like a series every day. I'm uploading videos every day of myself doing front end and tackling on different challenges. So if you're interested in watching my progression and growing, feel free to subscribe, feel free to leave a like. That's gonna help me a lot. And yeah, keep watching. And if you have any advice for me, feel free to also share that with me. So yeah, so right now when I look here and I look at the design, I realize that there's way too big margin, right? So because I don't know. So let's just try to solve that. Maybe it's not gonna be 100%. So let's go to for plan. Let me just inspect and see what's going on. Yeah, so we have like a crazy gap. I don't know why I have 56 gap. That's insane. But as you guys can see, it's like kind of working like that. So let's remove the gap. And okay, that was not the one. So I mean, it's kind of working. We just need a little bit of like padding on the left. Yeah, my keyboard. Okay. Alright, it's not working. So we're just gonna have a little bit of padding here. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm just gonna leave it like that. We're gonna solve it later. I can't spend so much time on this video. I wanna move on, right? I wanna move on. So let us continue styling this because we have to do JavaScript. And all right, so yeah. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of containers. I realize a lot of containers. Li space. So yeah, as I said, guys, I'm gonna name a bunch of classes. It's not gonna be good, but I need to let's see, apartment multi-page, 4 plans. Okay. Flex direction column. And I think did I style this? No, I don't think I've styled it. PT front PT serve. Okay, so now we're gonna take this and do something with it. Yeah, so I think guys, like when I do this, I always try to be like perfect, right? Like I'm trying to do it pixel perfect, and it's like, yeah, it's good, but you're not gonna get things perfect, right? So I can't be stuck on this project. I need to move on. I need to learn, because it's not, my goal is not to be the best, but good enough, right? So yeah. So let's remove all this. No, not all that, but all this. Oh my god. And let's do padding. So 1 rem, 2 rem. Yeah. And border radius 8. 8 pixels. Oh. And font size. Come on, man. Okay, and then we're gonna do margin top 24 pixels. Like that. And that also has like a rim. But yeah, guys, I'm trying to see. My brain is like, yeah, it doesn't, like, I'm lost. Usually, when I do front end, I'm able to understand but now I've just randomly named stuff. So space. Okay. And yeah, I still feel like it's 43, so margin top 43 pixels. And yeah, let me just name it the same so it's like, okay, so that's it, guys. I just want to fix this. Is bothering me so much. Um, but let's just fix it. Let's fix it. So let me just see. Just gotta text my. But yeah, guys. After this project, I'm just gonna go and start learning. I think I wanna hop on to JavaScript. Because I need to. I mean, we're day almost 20, right? So that makes sense. We're just gonna, we can't spend. I mean, we can. I don't want to spend too much time. Right. Yeah, we can say like 8 pixels. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, guys. I mean, padding makes sense, right? But I think I should have like a. Oh, I think I know what I have to do. Let me see. Because if I have a p tag, right? Oh my god. What in the world? Okay. Yeah, so if I move this, oh my god, look at that, guys. Okay, I just realized, okay, so I have the allies, right? And the allies, I have the hover on that. So I get the hovering and then I wrap it into another, I wrap the text inside ally into something else and then I move that text like that. Ah, okay, we figured that out. But now we need to figure out how to move the hovering because it's clearly not. Yeah. Um, yeah, it needs to go a little bit up. How can I do that, man? How can I make it go a little bit up? Um, I mean, the only thing is like, yeah, the height, right? That I changed that a bit because if I do like, let's say 54, oh, gotta be 84, but padding bottom 20 pixels. Yeah, nothing happens here. It doesn't move up. So even if I say top 2, there's something happens here. Okay. So if I do, okay. I mean, it works. I know you shouldn't use this, but it's working. Damn, okay. So that's my solution, guys. Kind of, I mean, is it gonna cause problems though? So it's not causing problems when we're scaling it too. Obviously, we need to, yeah, we have to change here. So that is like the only thing. So I'm gonna, so at 1000, 1050. So media, screen, and max. So at 1050 we want to change this to yeah, only the, let me just see, we only need to change this, right? This container here. So okay, it's not working because we need to, not max but minimum width, I guess. Oh. I think we need to change the entire thing. So yeah. So let's go to so let's see if it's responsive. I mean, it works, but it's crashing with everything else. So it would be better if I was able to just do this part, this section, because. But yeah, it doesn't matter, guys. We got it to work. We're gonna work on it responsive later. I mean, the most important thing is this. We got that to work. Yes. Okay. And now I had also an issue with really? Yeah. Yeah, so this we're just changing places. This is changing place with that. So now we need to put this here, and this needs to be here, right? So how do we do that? What do you think? So we have the form. We have this one, which is changing place, and we have the line. And I think I need to wrap this and that one. Let me look. Golly, I actually don't know, because I'm just like seeing, okay, they are changing places, right? And then I need to change place, but then I need to could also use grid. I don't know. Another case, like we can create a new line and hide this one, because I'm using the same line right now. So the realistic thing would be to create a line here, right? So we have the form, we have the line, and then we have the and then this is already, but then we have this, and wrap it together, and yeah, and I call it, yeah, that's the thing too. Because that one needs to be up there. So how am I gonna I mean, I can move it there, but yeah, I'm legit thinking of like a little hiding this line, and we're gonna have a line here between this and yeah, we're just gonna test. I'm just testing right now just to see if it's actually gonna work. So it's not gonna work. I mean, we need to hide the line. Display none. Yeah, not gonna work. Abort. Okay, so I was almost there though, right? But I don't know if I can move the position. I'm just thinking position absolute, right? Because that's all I need. Just skip everything and just move it there. And move the form. Let me try. And we want to have it relative to contact us. Yeah. Because then we can move it, right? It's not really recommended to use it because you should be able to, but I'm just like, so I'm gonna say top 0. And the right. Yeah, this is not the way to do it, I know. It's like, this is like really bad web development. Yeah. But the thing is, like, is it responsive? You guys see, like, it's not moving correctly. You see what I mean? Like, it's not moving correctly. And that's why I don't like to use this. And I'm like, yeah, there's a better way to do this. So I could ask AI, but I'm like, I'm really trying to think. Because I'm thinking like, okay, this is changing place with this. Then how do I get this there? You know, I could also have like a height hidden. So I know I need to use row, right? I need to like group them together. I need to group that, the UL there. I need to group that. I could create the same thing and hide the above. That's also possible. And literally just like display it here, right? So what I mean by that is we go here and we have the form, right? And in the form we can literally create, like I hide the entire UL here, and so I hide this and I hide this and I just create my own. So I have like div okay, I could just copy this. So I have that one and I have a new line class, because that would work, right? It's just a war, you write more HTML, but yeah, and I wrap this. And I can just call it test because I'm just testing class test. Oh, so that would work, but I need to hide the display none, and see contact as container. Display none, like that, and then I can do like test display flex. I mean, it works. You know, it's not the best way to do it, but and I just copy this. Align it to center. Just like in the center. Yeah. Hundred and 14 pixels. And font weight bold. Yeah, it has a little bit, but I'm just gonna ignore it. But we can say margin left, margin right, 100 pixels. Margin. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do this, right? This is what I call like dirty work, because it's not really, you know, it's not, it doesn't look clean, you know, it's like dirty work just to achieve something. You're doing like a lot, you know. Doing a lot of work just to achieve something. Because I know a senior could probably use Flexbox some way. I mean, I could have done it, but again, I guess I didn't plan correctly when I did this, right? So I have to end up doing these dirty tricks. And I mean, they work, but it's not a clean way of coding, right? So I already know that it's a dirty way of doing things. But it works. It works. You know what I'm saying? It works. So now we just have to do the form here. I don't know why I didn't put my form like in the global. So we're just gonna do that. Because it applies to yeah, you know, so it's kind of the same. And then we just need to like form 77 pixels. Yeah, I mean, this is, and it is responsive, right? Kind of. I mean, something's overflowing. It's probably, but it is kind of responsive, right? So you guys can see we're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. And I have to do something. So we have to wrap first name and last name. Just call it form group wrapping. Split flex. Yeah. Yeah, so again, we're gonna fix on the responsiveness later, because I don't have to. I literally have to go to work. Yeah, guys. I mean, if I was working, if I was at work, I would probably. But you know, sometimes you just gotta do these dirty works, right? So I can always, like, I'm always able to figure out something, you know, if I get stuck without AI. But I don't want to use AI, because if I used AI, I mean, at work, I would probably do it, because it's kind of like, you know, it's work, right? It's kind of serious. Okay, let's see, RAM, and then we need to just like increase the width, right? So because right now the form is like, yeah, let's not do that. But we need to. Yeah, max. So if I say max with this. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Oh, it's because in we're not targeting the inputs. But why? Okay. But okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna solve this. But the most important thing is that we were able to do this. Kind of. I just need to do some small edits, and we need to fix the responsiveness, right, of things, and then we're good to go. So I'm hoping that the last video I'm gonna make is gonna be, I mean, it's not gonna be the last, but it's gonna be like, because I gotta do the JavaScript, right? But hopefully it's gonna be one or two more videos and we'll be done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this, seeing real, like how it's really like to learn this stuff. So if you enjoyed it, like, and if you're watching this right now, just subscribe. Just subscribe, man. Just hit the subscribe, like, as I said, and that's it. Peace.